Sorry. I'm not sorry. I like a rainy boat.
Tiwa. Tiwa. Hey, mommy jam. I'm sorry, man. Let's focus.
Sorry.
Hey.
I'm not
Hey.
sorry.
Come on.
I like a rainy boat.
Hey.
Black women are beautiful, but let me refocus. Black women are beautiful, but let me refocus.
Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you're new here, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats reviews and reactions, so definitely check out the rest of the content. I have a monthly playlist in the description, so go down there and check it out. All right. Today's video is something it's a video that I've been looking forward to for a long time. The moment I heard this song on my review of her EP WaterAndGarri, honestly blown away by this record. Somebody's every time I say it, I always mess up and say somebody's baby or somebody baby, because there's another song that was out this year by Peruzzi and Davido called Somebody Baby. But this one is somebody's son, okay? Complete difference, okay? Clear difference, okay? Somebody's son featuring Brandy by TiwaSavage. Honestly love this song. I'm in awe of the song. The moment I heard it, the moment you hear it, like, you just know this one is special. The sentiment behind the song, the emotion behind it. And I know she's gonna follow that up with the visuals, and I saw the preview already. It was just looking beautiful. It was just looking elegant, and I'm excited to check this one out. TiwaSavage and Brandy got one, honestly, and yeah, I'm excited to get right into this one. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Okay, this one is Somebody's Son, no baby, Somebody's Son featuring Brandy. Let's go. Okay. Hey, Melanin. I'll be finished today, man. Tiwa, let's go. This is a banger. Major Lavi, come on.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm not sorry. I like a rainy boat.
Tiwa. Hey, mommy jam. I'm sorry, man. Let's focus.
Sorry.
Hey.
I'm not
Hey.
sorry.
Come on.
I like a rainy boat.
Hey.
Ole toto.
Hey.
Sabi shoni meroni.
Hey. This will be another.
Heartbreaks.
Come on. Flex for them.
Somebody's song go find me one.
Hey. Come on.
Day.
I know go
Wait,
it.
don't stay too
Hey.
long.
Oh shit. Come on. Sorry, Como. Is that her boyfriend? I'm just asking, you know, because boys need to know what they're up against, you know. Don't let me get in trouble today, I beg. Yo, this video. Oh, that's cute. The do-rag, are you kidding me? Hey, somebody's gonna. Hey, come on. Such a powerful hook, man. Such a powerful hook. Hey. No, wait. I'm sorry, man. I lose it every time Brandy's Yoruba part comes in. So far, these visuals are like, come on. Major Labi was responsible for Wizkid's Smile. And I go back to that video for just pure wholesomeness and like clean cinematography. The visuals are just like absolutely stunning. Tiwa looks drop dead gorgeous, okay, and that first frame, and now I get into Brandy, and I know they're gonna be in the same frame. Man, stunning, man. Hey, let's go, Brandy. Those runs, the harmony. Hey, come on, enter. Hey, black women are beautiful, but let me refocus, okay? Hey, Nah, Tiwa knew. Tiwa knew. She got one. She knew it. She knew. It's already have a nice chills. Chills. This is not fair, man. This song is too good. This is too good. Oh shit. Beer gang. Let's go. Oh, them runs. Let's go. Kill us. Finish us. Finish us. We are nothing but pencil. Come on. Come on. That's how you shut down a powerful record, man. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Tiwa Savage, Brandy. Come on. Meji Alabi. Shout out to Meji Alabi for the clean ass visuals. Okay? Clean. Clean AF. Okay? That's mad. That's mad. I absolutely love the song. The visual just made me love it even more. Having Tiwa Savage and Brandy in the same frame. Go down now. It's not even fair. It's not fair. I absolutely loved it, man. Tiwa is having a moment with this one. I am so here for it. I am so here for it. Every year after year, she comes in with a particular single that just takes off. And I knew she had a couple experimental records with the WaterAndGarri EP, but this one was tactically like kept in there to know where she was from, to know that, okay, this is the element that usually gets me my W's. This is what usually works for me. And she just invited the right artist that came in there so beautifully and like merged into the world that Tiwa kind of set up already for this song. And the sentiment, the emotion behind it about being done with heartbreaks and wanting to find, and the hope of finding love and romance and that you know what I mean, and it just makes you feel fuzzy inside, you know. It's really cute, and that expression was really met with the visuals. Like I said, I think now it has a TikTok challenge, so you imagine the song even take off even more. And it's really going far as helping Tiwa in a pursuit of conquering other markets, especially the US market, and having such an R&B legend here as Brandy to bless the song. And this is match made in heaven. Like this particular song, this particular moment is theirs, and I love that they're both channeling energy into the song. They put a lot behind the song, for the visuals, for the promotions and social media. I love seeing it, man, and I'm just curious how you guys feel about the visuals. Obviously the song is a hit. It has over 2 million views in a couple hours. It's crazy, man. Yeah, shout out to them. Big W. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you loved the song in the first instance you heard it, or you didn't but it has since grown on you, or maybe the visuals are helping you love the song. Let me know in the comment section how you guys stand with this record. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Black women are beautiful, but let me refocus. Black women are beautiful, but let me refocus.